Hi viewers, welcome back to Mymoonas kitchen with Shaariq, and today's recipe is a red spinach recipe. For this we need coconut, half coconut and red spinach. These are the main ingredients. Red spinach is very good for hemoglobin. And now we'll see how to prepare it. 4 garlic cloves, half teaspoon cumin powder, little bit of turmeric powder, grind it roughly, add a little bit of salt for the coconut, chopped red spinach, two pods curry leaves, one big onion sliced, two green chilies sliced into small pieces, 5 garlic cloves cut into fine pieces. It is hot and now I am adding the oil, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. When the oil is nice and hot, add half teaspoon cumin and half teaspoon mustard seeds. Also add 2 dry chilies, curry leaves. Now add the green chilies and garlic. Now add the onions and stir them well. The onion is sprouted well now. Now we'll add the red spinach. And now stir them. Mix it well. Use the lid and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Mix it again. Add the salt which is needed for the spinach leaf. Half teaspoon cumin powder. Mix it well. The spinach is cooked now and I'll add the coconut which is ground. Mix it well. Keep it in a low flame. Keep stirring. You have to use the lid and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. You have to note this. Don't eat the leaves in the evening, night. It will create digestion problems. So eat it in the noon with lunch. If you like this video, like, comment and share it with your family and friends. Until next, take care. Bye-bye.